Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I welcome you in this social class. As we have started our 17th lesson, that is fighting for freedom, and we have seen that, and also we know that India gained independence on 15th August 1947. So simply we didn't got in this, we have struggled a lot and we have sacrificed many things to get the independence. And we have seen about the one leader, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. And as he was born on 14th November 1869 in Allahabad, and his father was Motilal Nehru, and when the young Jawaharlal Nehru studied at Hora and went to attend the Trinity College in England, and Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Pandit Rano, he was joined the freedom struggle with the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, and he also took part in the Quit India movement and was jailed for the several times. And Pandit Nehru went on to become India's first Prime Minister and served from 1947 to 1964. And Nehru is as the architect of modern India. He believed in a single unified India. So we have seen about that. Now we will move to our lesson continuation. We will see one of the leader about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak or Lokmanya Tilak, as he was called, and was born in 1856 in Maharashtra. He was the leader of Indian National Congress, and he released the participation of the common people and need for achieving success in the freedom struggle. And he gave the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it means freedom is our birthright and I shall have it. And you know that only appeals. APPEALS, appeals. What do you mean of that? Appeals are nothing but it requests. He knew that only requests to the British will not work and direct action was needed to them. So together with other Congress leaders, that Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal, Lokmanya Tilak provided a vigorous oppositions to the British and improved the condition of Indians within India. And these three leaders were known as Lal, Bal and Pal. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal and Lokmanya Tilak, they are known as that Lal, Bal, Pal, and his call for Swaraj leads to the arrest and imprisonment from 1908 to 1914, and in 1916 he founded a home rule league with Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Annie Besant, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak died in 1920. Okay, so now we will see about the Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Was born in Pashtun family in 1819. Pashtuns are a tribe. Tribe means the people who are moving from one place to another place in Afghanistan. So though his family wanted him to join the army, and he did not, as he was angry with the mistreatment of Indian soldiers in the army, and he was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi teachings and tried to improve the lives of the people through social reforms. What social change? And he started the Khudai Khidmatgar movement, the servant of God movements, and followed the Satyagraha type of protest in opposing the British. And in 1929, the Khudai Khidmatgar joined the Indian National Congress. So Khan Abdul Khan Ghaffar was also known as the Badshah Khan and the Frontier Gandhi. And after the partition of the country, the northwest frontier province went to Pakistan, and Badshah Khan continued the work and for the upliftment of women and the education also of the poor. And he was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 1985 and was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997, and he died in 1988. So students, we will stop here. Continuation we will done in the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe, and thank you. Bye bye.